Welcome to the demo of Meeting Minutes app. How often do meetings become unproductive as the minutes are not shared on time or the action items, issues, risks etc. are not documented and assigned? We also have the case where the owners are not even aware of these and they remember about them only during the next meeting again. What really happens? We get project cost overrun, schedule overrun. We can easily avoid these by easily documenting the minutes of meeting and improve the meeting efficiency by using this application. As all of us are moving with the all-pervasive computing magic device called mobile, the flexibility to note the minutes as well as viewing the minutes have been brought on the application. But, at the same time, the data can be added in offline mode as well in case of limited connectivity, and the meeting minutes will be synchronized automatically. Please have a look at the features of the application. The application clearly distinguishes the roles of the organizer and attendee and provides the respective rights to update the minutes accordingly. Now let us see how a user like Bernd can use this simple but effective solution to schedule meetings, add and invite attendees to it, update the agenda, notes, update and track risks, action items, risks etc. From the dashboard as well from the navigation drawer, the user can schedule meeting, view and update minutes, view the action points, risks and issues for which he or she is the owner. When the user goes inside the meetings to view the minutes, they can see the list of issues, risks, actions etc. that is everything related to that meeting. Meetings are automatically segregated as upcoming and past meetings based on the dates. Now, for the meeting titled Weekly Project Review, let us see the details like attendee list and agenda list which were already added. Further, the organizer can add attendee or agenda at a later point of time. Also, once the attendee is added, he gets notified in an email, and once the attendee launches this app with his or her email after registering, they will also seamlessly see the about the meeting. After meeting is over, very important aspect is to mark the presence and absence of the attendee. The organizer can do this from here. Further, he can add generic notes discussed or to be discussed notes for the meeting. The organizer has options to update and delete every note or issue extra at a later point in time also. The organizer has options to update and delete every note or issue extra at a later point in time also. Now, we will observe how the action items, risks, issues are listed. All the details can be created easily by tapping on the floating button, and they can be assigned also from the application. Success of a meeting depends on how much details we are capturing. Actions, risks etc. and the application has been created by following the project management methodologies to capture every aspect properly. As you are observing now, creating and tracking the risks are very exhaustive. The user will create the risk, update the contingency and mitigation plan, assign the risk to an owner, update the risk occurrence date and risk closure target date. Similarly, creation of action items and issues are also taken care with all relevant parameters. As discussed earlier, let us see how the risks, action items, issues are listed for the user. Now let us have a look about how to set up a meeting by providing basic details like title, meeting date, time etc. Further to add, organizer can add the attendee and agenda for the meeting. Once set, it automatically synchronizes with the device calendar also. As you have observed, this application can be used as meeting scheduler, track minutes, create and track risks, action items etc. Most importantly, once the organizer is done with updating the minutes, he can share the minutes by tapping the button and it will reach out to all participants' email in a PDF format. Hope you enjoyed the application and I am sure you will find it useful. If you need any customization, please visit us at contact us at queries@appsolzone.com. Thank you.